The Chinese mainland is voicing strong objections to a U.S. official's visit to the Taiwan region. Yang Jia joins us live from Beijing with the details. Jia.
Well, Elaine, the U.S. Health and Human Services Secretary Alex Azar arrived in Taipei Sunday for a three-day visit, despite the mainland saying the trip violates the One China principle. On Monday, Azar met with Taiwan leader Tsai Ing-wen. They discussed the island's handling of the pandemic. Taiwan has had success in containing the coronavirus. Azar also signed an agreement with health officials and pledged that if the U.S. develops a successful vaccine, it would make it available globally. Azar is the highest-ranking cabinet-level U.S. official to visit Taiwan in more than 4 decades. The trip comes at a low point in relations between Beijing and Washington, and as the White House continues to point fingers at China over the pandemic. Beijing lodged objection before this visit and continues to condemn the trip.
We urge the U.S. to abide by the One China principle and the provisions of the 3 Sino-U.S. joint communique and stop any form of official exchanges and contacts with Taiwan. Stop enhancing the substantive relationship between the United States and Taiwan, and handle Taiwan-related issues carefully and properly, so as not to cause serious harm to China-U.S. cooperation in important areas in peace and stability across the Taiwan Strait.
Well, Washington and Beijing established a former relationship back in 1979, and the U.S. had followed the One China principle since then. But this is not the first time the Trump administration has generated a controversy over Taiwan. Donald Trump angered the mainland and made waves in the international community back in 2016 when he had a phone call with Tsai shortly after winning the U.S. presidential election. His administration has also boosted arms sales to Taipei, and last year a sale was approved just days before Tsai Ing-wen traveled to the U.S. to stop in several cities. Elaine, back to you.